Folks, we're out here at Sebastian on the end of this pier, and anybody that's ever been wanting to come to Sebastian, Florida, you can see it's hard pressed to tell the difference between like parts of the Keys and even parts of the Bahamas. The water's not as blue and turquoise. There's one bar there, I forgot what it's called. I should remember because we've been there many times. It's a nice. And here's the pier that we're out of, the dock, and just it's about today's June 8th, I believe, and it's about 1 o'clock, and it's about 92 degrees out, with it feels like about 98. And then you can hear those motorcycles in the background. They're probably all heading over to Earl's Hideaway, the big biker place. Anybody, but there's a lot of bikers go there because you can sit outside and enjoy a drink and listen to live bands. Anyway, if you've been thinking about or wanting to know more about Sebastian, Florida, there you go. Check it out. Peace.